It's time! Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a super fun video, something that I didn't think that I'd be doing so fast. Guess what it is? We did it! We got the plaque for hitting over 100,000 subscribers. So I wanna do a little unboxing with you guys. So I started this back in August of this year. And it says here, this is from YouTube. Let's take a moment to read and appreciate. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. That I do. That was back in the end of November. And now we have a lot more. So this is, look, presented to that pink science teacher for passing 100,000 subscribers. That's me. I'm that pink science teacher if you didn't know. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're old, thank you. And if you're here, just thank you for watching me. Look at it. It's very light, super cute. So you know what's funny is that I actually started a YouTube back in 2016 and I was just doing impressions because that's what got me into wanting to do content in the first place. I would do a lot of impressions of celebrities and I started that and I didn't continue with it. Then when I got into teaching, one of my students told me to create a TikTok account. And from that TikTok is what kind of prompted me to create a YouTube where I started posting more of that teacher content. And because I got so many followers on here so quickly, I want to make more videos on here. So if you have any ideas of what I should do, post it in the comments. I just find it funny how I wanted to be a YouTuber back in 2016 and now I am one. It was just kind of a dream that like went in the back. I was like, well, it's not gonna happen. And now it did. And now people come up to me and they're like, are you a YouTuber? And now I could say yes, which is like crazy because I thought people would just be like, oh, are you a teacher? Yes, I am. But I'm a teacher and a YouTuber and a TikToker and an icon. But honestly, I wanted to make this video not only to unbox my plaque, which is crazy. I literally cannot believe this is real, but also to just say thank you to everyone who likes my content, who watches my content, who shares my content, who gets ideas from my content. Like, it means everything. I would have never thought that so many people would like my stuff and who would even just get entertainment out of watching my stuff. So it means everything. Every day I wake up and I'm like, I can't believe this is real. Can't believe this is my life and that so many people like watching me. Because obviously I like watching myself, duh. But the fact that over 100,000 of you like watching me, not just on YouTube, but on TikTok and on Instagram, it's crazy. So stay tuned because I know that this year is going to be crazy. Not only for me, but for you guys as well. So stick along for the ride. If you've made it this far, congrats for you. If you're new, welcome. And cheers.